today I'll be showing you this node, this switch node. It's a very important node. It's simple to use but very powerful. So let's begin. As with any workflow, we begin with a humble code node. Now this code node has a script and it gives us 4 items with a lot of values. This will be important in a bit. We leave that, we go into the switch. To get the switch, go to the plus here, right switch, and you will have your switch. As you can see, this new one is different to the one I am using. Why is that? Well, because the switch node lets you, as the name implies, switch between routes. So it can go to a route, a second route, a third route, or even more. How does it do that? Well, if you go into the node, ignore the conditions, just add routing, add as many as you want or need. So we go like this, we have 7 routes. Well, that's how the switch node does the routes. If we go to our one here, I gave the conditions. The conditions is like in the if node or previous nodes that we did. You just drag here your condition, your field. For this example, I took the field of the name. So I just need that and it automatically detects it's a text. Of course, you're gonna go from string, number, date, whatever you want. Give the value and just let it be. I did 3, one where the value is Alice for the name, one where the value for the role is user, and one where the value for the score is 30. If we execute this step, as you can see, each route has its own items. So output 1 has output of Alice because the condition was the name to be Alice. Output 2, the condition was the role to be user. So we have 2. And output 3, the condition was the score to be 30. So now each one has its own item. If we go to the agent here, I give it a simple prompt, just repeat what you got. And if we execute this step, as you can see, the name is Alice, the role is admin. How can I assist you, Alice? And it's the same for the others. Let's try this one. And if we execute it, of course, a response for each item because we got 2 items. And that about does it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this helpful and goodbye.